Hello everybody, I am Trader Joe. Welcome to a live trading session. I'm going to be showing you how I scalp using pure price action, trading in my funded futures account through Apex Trader Funding, scalping Nasdaq futures on the 2000 tick chart. If you want to earn your own funded account through Apex, there is a link in the description for 50% off an evaluation. So anyway, taking a look at the prices today, we're in a very obvious trading range. I drew that. Prices just kind of going up and down. So I'm zooming in. We do have a breakout of the range, and the majority of breakouts from a trading range will fail. So I'm actually looking for an opportunity to short here. So it does look like we have, we had this move up. We have a close outside of that and a new highs form. So that move up is played out. Now looking for a nice lower high bearish bar that we can trade back into the range. Okay, well that bar finished as a bullish doji, so not the bar we're looking for. Can't take that setup. We'll have to be patient. Well, we are getting a strong move downwards. So with this action, it looks like we are probably going to go down and test the bottom of the range here. So I'm looking for an opportunity to join this move and get short. What I'm looking for is a second entry long that fails. So trying to catch folks who are trying to catch a falling knife here and go long. It's pretty evidently prices want to go down. So from this swing high, we do have our first entry long that is now failing. So looking for that second entry long to fail and we'll go short. All right, well, our second entry long just triggered and get my order ready. Okay, it looks like we do have our bearish bar going short right here. Trying to get 10 points here. And there we go. Got our first trade of the day. 1-0 for $391. Let's go look for another one. Okay, well, prices did reach the bottom of the range, and now we actually have a breakout. So we're going to look to fade that move because the majority of breakouts fail. So we do have a nice bullish bar here that could go long above. However, it is like right along the bottom of the channel there. So that could act as resistance. So I'm going to wait for a nice higher low to form on a bullish bar and then we'll go long. Well, we did have a higher low right here, but that's a bearish bar, so couldn't use that. And I'm going to wait for a second one, because that would actually be a pullback first entry, pullback second entry short that fails. So that'd be a nice move. Waiting to see if that forms. Okay, we have our second entry short. So now we're looking for this to fail with a nice bullish bar that gets back into the range, and that will be a good trade long. Wow, this is quite the bullish bar. So I'm going to get my order ready. This is looking very nice. Pretty tall. I don't know if I want to go long above that. I might wait for this to trigger and then look to sneak my order back a little bit and get a better entry. Okay, we triggered. Now I'm waiting for prices to come back a little bit so I can get a better entry on this. All right, not sure I'm going to get any better of an entry than this. Yeah, so I just went long right there. Didn't look like it was going to come back any, and this might rocket up here on us. Here we go, just a couple ticks away. Price is reacting strongly off that level. There could be some sort of resistance right here. Yeah, not looking great for us. This bar might actually be a bearish engulfing. I'm gonna set my order to scratch. This isn't looking great. You don't want to see a strong rejection like that when prices are about to break out. So hopefully we can get a scratch on this and avoid a loss here. All right, there we go. Got out for a scratch. So we are a little bit higher in profits, but I'm not gonna count that as a win. We're still 1-0. Didn't really like that bearish engulfing bar. Wanted to see kind of a quick move. This may still work out, but not willing to risk taking a loss on this one. All right, well, we are back down at the bottom of the range here, and prices never went anywhere. We got a little bit past this midline and then just turned right down. So that's telling me we definitely have some bearish momentum going. So I'm looking for a short here. From these highs, we do have our first entry long, another pullback, and a second entry right here. So if this fails, this is gonna trap a lot of long traders. So I'm gonna get my order ready here. Now, I don't usually go short right around this resistance. We are below the range though, and here I'm short. But if this gets triggered below this bar, we should see some quick momentum, and I may scratch out of this if it doesn't get moving right away, but I think this is worth the risk here. There we go. Look how quick that's moving. That's what we're wanting to see. That quick movement. That's buy stops getting triggered. Boom. There we go. Another trade, 2-0 on the day, and that little scratch, but we're now up to almost $800. It looks like we have some bearish momentum forming, so I'm going to look to see if there's any sort of channel moving down, and we will look to take another short. All right, well, I am short. Sorry, too quick to start recording. Looks like we're gonna get filled. Man, that was really fast. Okay, got filled on a short there. I will explain here in a minute. We are now 3-0, and that little scratch for over $1,000 now. So here's what I've seen. We had a big move down out of that range. Again, we didn't even get to the top of the range, so that's showing me there's definitely some bearish momentum. Drew this channel, had a break of the channel, so expecting a new low to be formed. Then I was looking for a second entry short. So from the lows, we had this first entry, and then this second entry. This is all pretty stacked, so I wasn't really gonna take that right away. But then we had this big move up almost to the exponential moving average, and it just turned down. So I chased that trade a little bit. There was some serious momentum going to the downside. So that was a second entry short with a lower high on an extremely bearish bar after this big move down. So definitely felt comfortable chasing that a little bit, and got another 10 points for our third win. And yeah, if you're appreciating the content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, check out some more videos up there, and we'll see you on the next one.